What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, first things first, I gotta set something straight. This is a robe. It is not a kimono. I've been having a lot of people saying, where'd you get the kimono? Where'd you get the kimono? Where'd you get the kimono? This is a kimono. This is a robe. It is just like a regular robe, but it's silk. A kimono has the sleeves that go all the way down here. This, though, is a robe. As I told some of you guys, this is also a prototype for a little project that is coming in the future. So stay tuned. Guys, I got a lot of really exciting projects. I don't want to say secrets, but like things that are coming up, but I can't tell you about, but I want to so bad. But I can't tell you because it's a surprise, you know? Some of them are big surprises. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys, one of y'all asked me how do I do like my baby hairs, and so I already have videos, 2 videos on my channel about that, but I'm just gonna do an updated one. So here it is. So the first step would probably obviously be to get my hair out of the way so that I can get to my baby hair. So I'll put my hair up and then let's get close so that way you get the action. You can see what's going on here. So here's the baby hairs right now, not done. Okay, so what I do is I take a comb, a very fine tooth comb. You want to take one that has it's very fine. You see all those little teeny tiny teeth? That's the type of comb that we want. Some people like to use brushes. I like to use brushes if I'm going for a certain look, but for the look that I was asked for, it was in my curly hair routine video. And so here's how I do it. So I take some gel. I got some gel on my finger. And what I do is I just lay it on the hairs. Okay, so just like that. And what I like to do is pull, like kind of like gently glide my hand over the hair and then hold it up, and whatever's left, that's my edges. Because sometimes what happens is people be having too much hair on their edges, you know, and then what ends up happening is it be looking crazy, or it doesn't work, or it doesn't hold down because there's too much hair there, you know. So I like to just do this, take whatever's left there, and that's the baby hairs. Because you get a more like precise and more defined look when there's not too much hair. So I do that, put the gel on, you know, on the hairs. Then I take the comb and I do like you see that? So I take the comb. Sometimes it works if you push the comb this way and then go like this. Cause watch, so this is me just pulling the comb down and then pulling it. So that's what that looks like. But then when I do this, you see how it makes it look a little more like, I don't know how to explain it, but it just looks a little bit nicer. And then I like this because it makes it like super precise, and it just looks like, it looks like a hairline, you know. And then just do that one more time. And boom, one side is done. So that's that, and then I literally just do the same thing on the other side. Yep, that's that. That's how I do that. This side. And then I do the same thing. And then what I like to do sometimes is like go like this, line it up with the first one I did, and then just bring it straight across, just to make sure you got a straight line. And then what I do is, this one needs to come up some. And it's hard to do this in this little camera reflection thingy, in the little camera viewfinder, but so yeah, so that's that. And then what I like to do in the middle, because I don't like how it has that little see how it kind of has a little like it's split parting in the middle. I don't like that. So what I do is take the comb and just go straight down. You see how this is going now? And now it just literally just looks like a line. It needs to be tightened up. It's hard to do it in this little viewfinder, but it's kind of slanted. Okay, I'm gonna go in the mirror real quick just to check this, to make sure it looks good. But well, let me do this first. Go ahead and do the sides. Alright, so then this is what it comes out looking like. But let me just go check in the mirror, because I can see in this viewfinder right now, this is like slanted, and I want it to be straight. So let me go in the mirror real quick and fix it real quick, and then I'll be right back. It's done. If there's anything left over, I'll clean it up. That's it. That's how it's done. You know, then I'll just take my hair down. And then this is what you've got. But then if you look to the sides, those edges, those baby hairs, they're done. And then if you know, put the hair up, got a nice little hairline going right there. So that's how it's done. That's how I do the baby hairs. And yeah, that's how I get these lines. So yeah, like I said, very quick video, just trying to show y'all how I do it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I do it. I got videos where I've done it in the past, and I'll link those below if you want to check those ones out too. I don't know, maybe you want to watch it a couple times so that you really get it. But yeah, that's it. That's how I do them, and hopefully you enjoyed that little quick tutorial. As always, thank you so much for your time spending this time here with me on my YouTube channel, watching my videos. My channel has been growing so fast. We just hit 6K, and boy, I can only imagine where we'll be in another month, another year. And you know, it was never really about the number, you know, but it definitely indicates that like people are liking my stuff, and getting more like internet friends and stuff like that. And so that has just been like so thrilling. Really appreciate you watching my video, taking some time out of your busy day to spend with me today. Really appreciate that so much. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.